Okay, so in this mini lecture we're going to talk about the slope of a line. What is the slope and how can you use slope to graph lines? So let's just get started. Let's start by defining slope. It is the change in the vertical direction over the change in the horizontal direction x between 2 points on a line. And so you could have any 2 points, let's just say x1, y1, and x2, y2. You would find the slope. It's usually represented by m. M would equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And you may be familiar with hearing slope described as rise over run. So if you had 2 points, this is how you can find the slope m. Also, there's another way. Oftentimes you might run into the equations of line written in standard form, which would look something like this. Not standard form, I'm sorry, slope-intercept form, where y equals mx plus b. And this term right here, m, is a constant. M and b are both constants. And m is equal to the slope of the line, and b is part of the y-intercept. So this is why it's slope-intercept form. And so this is also where the m comes from. So this is 2 ways to potentially find the slope of the line, depending on what information is given to you. There's also some things to remember. If you have a line of the equation, say y equals 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, this would be a line, a horizontal line, that exists at y equals 4. And I didn't draw a very straight line because I don't have a ruler, but it would be a horizontal straight line, and in this case the slope m is equal to 0. If you had another line where, let's say, x equals minus 2, that would be a vertical line here at minus 2. And for this line and every other completely vertical line, the slope m is undefined. So these are 2 sort of special instances to remember about slope. So this is the definition of slope and ways you can find slope. Let's put it to practice. Here, number 1, we're given 2 points and we need to find the slope. So we can just put this into that one equation or formula that I gave earlier. 7 minus 4 over 3 minus 2 is 3 over 1, and m is equal to 3. What about this one, number 2? We're given the slope and a y-intercept. We need to write the slope-intercept form of the equation and graph the line. So remember that slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Well, we can just place these values in there. So our slope-intercept form should be y equals minus x, because it's minus 1, plus 3. And so that is our equation. Now we should be able to graph the line. Our y-intercept is 0, 3, because that's where the line passes through the y-axis. We can plot that, 0, 3. And then our slope is just minus 1, so we can go down 1, over 1, down 1, over 1, down 1, over 1, and graph that line. So that's slope, and using it in slope-intercept form to graph a line, and also finding slope between 2 different points that were given to you.